how to view only unread messages on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to filter and find all your unread chats in one place on your Android device. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, look at the top of your chat screen where you'll see a row of filter tabs just below the search bar. From there, you'll see tabs labeled All, Unread, Favorites, and Groups. At this point, tap on the Unread tab to filter your chat list. In the next step, WhatsApp will instantly display only the conversations that have unread messages. Following this, scroll through the filtered list to see all your pending unread chats in one place. Once done, tap on any chat from the list to open and read the messages. From here, after reading a chat, go back and the list will automatically update and remove that conversation from the unread filter. Finally, once you've gone through all your unread messages, tap on the All tab at the top to go back to your full chat list. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you stay on top of your unread messages, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.